it good?
Mm-hmm. It's good. Fresh. Very fresh.
And he wants love. He wants bubble. Please watch till the end for some bloopers. Pasta salad is what we are going to make today. Here are the ingredients for making pasta salad. First, boil water over high heat. Add some fine salt and dissolve. Lower the heat to medium-high and add the rotini pasta in the boiling water. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and check if the pasta is soft. When cooked, drain the water immediately. Rinse with water to prevent from getting soggy and sticky, then set aside. In a saucepan, boil 3 cups of water over medium-high heat. Add 1 bag of edamame. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Get a sample and try it to make sure it's cooked. When cooked, drain the water, rinse it, and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently open the pod to collect the beans. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooked pasta, the dressing, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, the cooked soybeans, sliced black olives, feta cheese crumbles. Then mix thoroughly to combine. Add some more dressing as needed. Go ahead and try it and adjust the taste to your liking. Here is my pasta salad. Enjoy! Here, babe.
Yeah. What do we got?
Pasta salad.
Yay. Oh, a fork.
Oh, you want spoon?
Oh, it's bad. Just kidding.
Why'd you do that?
This is true.
How is it though? It's good?
Better than the store. It's good.
Alright.
Oh, baby's dead.
I'm on air. Quiet, please. I'm on air. Quiet, please.